Hi friends, good evening. Thank you so much viewing on my videos and giving your valuable comments. So please subscribe Crazy Chemistry with Prasad and press the notifications bar. So today I want to introduce the types of organic reactions. So in the types of organic reactions, there are three types of organic reactions: electrophilic reactions, nucleophilic reactions, and free radical reactions. So today I want to introduce the nucleophilic reactions. So in nucleophilic substitution reactions, nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, so here nucleophilic substitution reactions. What is the nucleophilic substitution reactions means? Replacement of compound in the nucleophile by another nucleophile nucleophile is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so what is the nucleophilic substitution reactions? Means replacement of compound in the nucleophile by another nucleophile. So ikkadunna nucleophile anedi ఇంకొక న్యూక్లియోఫైల్ తో కనుక రీప్లేస్మెంట్ అనేది జరిగితే దాన్ని న్యూక్లియోఫిలిక్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ రియాక్షన్ అని అంటాం. So replacement of compound in the nucleophile by another nucleophile is called as nucleophilic substitution reactions. So okay, so in this type of nucleophilic substitution reactions there are two types of nucleophilic reactions. One is SN1 reaction. Second one is SN2 reaction. Okay, so one is SN1 reaction, second one is SN2 reaction. So what is SN1 reaction? Okay, so here SN means substitution nucleophile. So S it is called as substitution, N it is called as nucleophile. One is the unimolecular. One describes the unimolecular. So unimolecular substitution nucleophile reaction. Okay, unimolecular substitution nucleophilic reaction. So why it is called unimolecular substitution nucleophilic reaction? If in unimolecular substitution reaction, it is only react with the alkyl halide. It is only react with the alkyl halide. Okay, so here in SN1 reaction it is only reacts with the alkyl halide. Okay, here so as in SN1 reaction it is only react with the alkyl halide, so that is called as SN1 reaction. So here the rate of reaction depends upon the only alkyl halide. Rate depends upon the only alkyl halide. Okay, rate depends upon the alkyl halide. And in the here in SN1 reaction racemic mixture product is formed. In SN1 reaction racemic mixture product is formed. And here in SN1 reaction this is the two-step mechanism reaction. This is the two-step mechanism reaction. Okay, so in unimolecular reaction the rate is only depends upon the alkyl halide, so it is called the unimolecular substitution nucleophilic reaction. So the rate is only depends upon the alkyl halide and it can be formed the racemic mixture. And here the SN1 reaction involves two-step mechanism, and here formed the stable carbocation, and here formed the stable carbocation, and here formed the stable carbocation. And here only reacts with the tertiary alkyl halide. Here only react with the tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, so in SN1 reaction only reacts with the tertiary alkyl halide, and in SN1 reaction it is only involved two-step mechanism, and racemic mixture is formed and stable carbocation is formed, and so here involves only two-step mechanism. So what is the two-step mechanism means? So CH3 C, this is the step 1. CH3 C, CH3 C, CH3 Br gives rise to, so this can be write as CH3 C plus CH3 plus Br minus. Okay, this is called as carbocation. Okay, carbocation. So here is called as carbocation. So here this one we have to take CH3 C plus CH3 and here reacts with plus OH minus gives rise to CH3 C, CH3 OH plus KBr. Okay, here the reaction reacts with the potassium hydroxide KOH. Okay, so here it is the step 2. So here CH3 C, CH3 Br, it can be written like this: CH3 and C plus. So here formed stable carbocation and bromine minus. So here the CH3 C, CH3 it reacts with the KOH. So plus OH minus can be formed like this: CH3 C, CH3 OH and plus KBr. So this is the two-step mechanism of nucleophilic unimolecular substitution reaction. Okay, nucleophilic unimolecular substitution reaction. Here the product is formed racemic mixture, and here stable carbocation is formed, and here the concentration only depends upon alkyl halide, and here involve the two-step mechanism. So this is whole about the unimolecular substitution reaction. Okay, and it is a rate determining and here rate determining is going on fast reaction. Okay, so that is this is the SN1 reaction. Okay, next one SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction. Okay, so here SN2 means nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here S means substitution, N means nucleophilic. Here 2 describes bimolecular. Okay, this is describes bimolecular substitution nucleophilic reaction. Okay, bimolecular substitution nucleophilic reaction. So why it is called bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction? Here the rate of concentration is depends upon alkyl halide and nucleophile. So here the SN2 reaction is why it is called as bimolecular reaction means here the rate is depends upon alkyl halide and nucleophile. So the rate concentration is depends upon alkyl halide and nucleophile. So that is the reason it is called as SN2 reaction. So in SN2 reaction, Walden inversion takes place. In SN2 reaction, Walden inversion takes place. Okay, so in SN2 reaction, Walden inversion takes place, and it is only single step reaction. Okay, it is only single step reaction, and here alkyl rate of concentration depends upon alkyl halide and nucleophile. It here Walden inversion takes place, and here the reactant reacts with the primary alkyl halide. Here the reactants react with primary alkyl halide. Okay, So here the reactants react with primary alkyl halide. So this is the SN2 reaction. Now going to the mechanism of SN2 reaction. Okay, it is a single step reaction and it is a fast reaction. It undergoes fast reaction, and here the concentration depends upon the. So mechanism of SN2, C2H5 Br plus OH minus gives rise to C2H5 OH plus KBr. Okay, so here only involves primary alkyl halide. So here the what the mechanism. Okay, so CH3 CH here Br plus OH minus. Here the negative charge attacks the backside of carbon. So this bond migrates towards bromine. So here written as CH HO HCH3 and Br. This is the transition state. Okay, transition state. So this is the transition state, and here finally CH3 H plus KBr. Okay, plus KBr. Okay, so see once mechanism of SN2 reaction, C2H5Br plus OH minus gives rise to C2H5OH plus KBr. Okay, mechanism. See, this is a primary alkyl halide with bromine, and here the negative charge of OH minus OH so reacts with the backside of carbon, and here the bond migrates towards bromine and forms the transition state. So here the transition state's reaction takes place. So this like, and here the bromine reacts with the reacts with potassium bromide, formed as potassium bromide. Okay, so this is about the mechanism of SN2 reaction. This is the single step mechanism. Here Waldel inversion product takes place, and the here reaction rate of concentration depends upon alkyl halide and nucleophile. So this is the single step reaction. Okay, thank you so much guys, and please subscribe my channel Crazy Chemistry with Prasad. Thank you.